this age, you just gotta learn to breathe. Gotta leave what's left, sometimes for better things now. No one's gonna do it for you. You're miles beyond all your younger pipe dreams. The sun is crying and it's making you believe that no one's gonna do it for you. So I say, we're taking off, heading out right now, you and me. Don't care where we land, yeah, as long as we're leaving, we'll find somewhere nobody will know. Oh, oh. Now off we go. Oh, oh. Now off we go. Oh, 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 oh. Now off we go. Oh, oh, oh. Now off we go. Sleep with the wind while it's still running through your veins. Pass by faces and not recall all the names now. No one's gonna do it for you. It's not just a feeling, like some kind of call to the wild. More like a longing that you run towards like a child, yeah. No one's gonna hand this to you. So I say, we're taking off, heading out right now, you and me. Don't care where we land, yeah, as long as we're leaving, we'll find somewhere nobody will know.
Isn't he doing great? He is a dream. Just sit in. It doesn't matter. I gotta get out of the way here. Oh yeah, my bag. Oh man! How are you, JB?
I like that hat. Good, Bundy.
This is Maverick's debut.
I know, he's behaving.
He is doing awesome.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of him. Did you just get here?
Yeah. I was down browsing around the
oh, good. Yeah, there's lots of ways to spend your money down there.
I noticed.
I probably shouldn't get all this, but it's so pretty. She might want to be happy to have it.
Is that seat for farmer or?
Oh, you can sit all of these, any of those. They have names on them, but don't worry about it. Oh, okay, here we go.
our Saturday morning Savvy team a hand. Thank you guys. On their way out, I'd like to introduce to you Miss Christy Raines, Miss Carrie Ann April, Isabella Farmer, Jennifer Sutherland, Geraldine Caldwell, and Miss Gina Warrington.